John Baldessari was born in National City, California in 1931. He received his Bachelor of Arts in 1953 from San Diego State College. After a year of advanced art history studies at the University of California, Berkeley, Baldessari returned to San Diego State College where he received his Master of Arts in Painting in 1957. He proceeded to engage in postgraduate work at Chouinard Art Institute and the University of California, Los Angeles. Baldessari's artwork has been featured in more than 300 solo exhibitions and in over 1,000 group exhibitions in the US and Europe. His projects include unique works, prints, artist books, videos, films, billboards and public works.